Cough for him again. I can't do
it. Damn, it's gonna hurt my throat to do it.
Squeeze by there right there.